In this video, we'll show you how to use our new database, the Imperial-Era Newspaper Bibliography. Let's start with what it is. This is a bibliographic database. It doesn't include the actual newspaper content, just detailed information about newspapers. Over 9,000 titles. Most of these were published in Russian, Ukrainian, and 40 other languages, including many minority languages. They come from the territories of 3 empires: Russia, Austro-Hungary, and Germany. The time period is from the 18th century through the early 20th. This resource is built for researchers, librarians, and students, anyone interested in imperial history, diaspora communities, or the evolution of the multilingual press in those countries. We created the database using 123 reference books and primary sources. Most of them were published in Russia, but also come from Ukraine, Belarus, Poland, Estonia, Latvia, Germany, Finland, and other places. Now let's explore the interface. First up, date navigation. You pick a year, then pick a specific date, and you'll see all newspapers that were published on that day. I'll show you what a full newspaper record looks like in a moment. But first, let's take a look at how to browse by title. Here we are, title navigation. You see a list of all 9,111 titles in the database. On the left, we have some filters: country, region, locality. That could be a city, town, or even a village. And language. We've got more than 40 languages to choose from. You can view the titles in their original script or in transliteration. Just click here. Let's try an example. We'll filter for Austria-Hungary. That gives us 161 newspaper titles. Now let's choose a letter, say G. Now we're down to 16 titles. Let's click on Gazeta Wyborcza. Here's what a typical record looks like. So you'll see the title and subtitle, the language, in this case, Polish, the country, Austria-Hungary, the region, Galicia. Back then, Galicia was part of the Austro-Hungarian Empire. You'll also see which issues of this newspaper were printed. Each record has a permanent URL which you can use for citations. Some records include a sample image of the front page like this one. Not all of them do, only when we've been able to find one. Another key tab here is Sources. It shows where we got the information and the exact page number in the source. There's a useful button here, Download Metadata. It lets you save all the information about that newspaper. It could be handy for your research. These linked entries give you additional information. For example, if you click on the city name, Krakow, you'll get a list of all titles published in that city. In this case, there are 44 newspapers published in Krakow. Let's try the search function. I'll type Armavir, a town in southern Russia. Here we go, 12 newspapers found. Click on one, say Izvestia Armavirskovo Sovieta. Now we're looking at the full record. This one shows 4 versions of the title, the old and modern Russian spelling plus transliteration. And again, you'll see the sources listed. Now let's open Advanced Search. Here you can search by title, country, editor, and more. You can also limit your search by language, any of the 40 languages in the database. And that's a quick tour of the Imperial-Era Newspaper Bibliography. If you have questions or if you'd like to request a free trial, just email us to info@eastview.com. Thanks for watching. And hey, enjoy exploring.